Reverb isn't necessarily the first thing that comes to mind when you're mixing rock guitars. Of course, the last thing you want to do is drench your punchy rhythm guitars in a wash of verb. But look beyond the obvious, and reverb can actually help you create a bigger, more energetic guitar sound that's glued to the mix. Hi again, Julian David here with LiquidSonics. In this video, I'll show you how to craft a powerful guitar mix using Cinematic Rooms and Reverberate 3. Here we go. This rock song I'm working on features a double-tracked rhythm guitar part. Let's have a listen to the mix without the guitar effects first, and then I'll play what I ended up with for the final mix. You may have heard of LiquidSonics as the maker of Seventh Heaven, the definitive convolution reverb reproduction of the legendary Bricasti M7 hardware. Cinematic Rooms, on the other hand, is an algorithmic reverb that is particularly revered for its clean and natural-sounding rooms. Rock mixing engineers like Chris Basford say that, and I quote, "Because Cinematic Rooms sounds so natural and blends perfectly within a mix, it's easy to set the proper level and never second-guess it." I will start with the dry rhythm guitars, and then activate Cinematic Rooms to browse some of its room presets. Cinematic Rooms comes in two editions, Standard and Professional. They both share the same lovely sounding algorithm, but the Professional version gives access to more presets, advanced control of the reverb behavior, and chorus modulation. The chorusing, added in version 1.1, is a compelling feature for keyboards and guitars in particular. Matt Hill, LiquidSonics' founder, has created several helpful presets for this feature, so I'll switch to the Pro edition and pick the electric guitar riff chorus preset as a starting point. What a superb sound! Still, I might tweak a few parameters to make the reverb shorter and avoid the guitars getting pushed back too far in the mix. Let's pull the decay time back a bit. And adjust the proximity. Yeah, this feels good. Adjust our mix a little bit. Play with undulation. The movement is nice. And just a low cut to finish things off. That's too much. Right around there. Here it is without. Nice. I'm gonna go back to the intro now, where we have some vibey gang vocals going on. You can check out a breakdown of the reverb effects on those in our video about rock vocals. In a nutshell, I found this echoey patch from the FS48 expansion in Reverberate 3, LiquidSonics' modulated true stereo convolution reverb. The plugin comes with an included collection of many reverb legends and useful effects to breathe life into your reverbs. Beyond the factory presets, several Fusion IR expansion packs are available, and they're all free of charge. I think it could work really nicely if I sent the guitars to the same echo verb in the intro to give the unison part a bit more movement. Thanks to the pre-delay that I have set up in Reverberate 3, the second reverb adds motion and glue, but doesn't take away from the immediacy of the guitars. I'll automate the send so that this added reverb only kicks in during the intro.
Come to the dark side. It's warm down here. Abandon
Now these were just a few examples of how Cinematic Rooms and Reverberate 3 can enhance your rock guitars, but there's much more to discover. Head over to LiquidSonics.com to download free demos of all the reverb plugins we explored today. The site is also a great place to discover more videos and articles about the technology and reverb in general. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video valuable, please subscribe to our email list and social channels to be among the first to know when a new video comes out. Happy mixing and keep on rocking!